Hello everyone, it is currently 7 in the morning right now, and I just want to do a quick unboxing. This is a special unboxing because I've never done one of these type of unboxings yet, but I got it in my mail, but I just took it out of my mail, out of my package because I was too excited to see what it looked like before I show it to you guys. I'm sorry. Oh, I was too desperate. And I'm gonna go show you what I'm talking about. Okay, there's been a huge like everyone's in the metal, like everyone's been like doing shoe unboxings, and I just decided I should do a shoe unboxing. And yeah, here's the shoe. It's Kobe because I like Kobe's. And I'm pretty clutch. And you can tell the color's purple. Let's look at the outsole for a little bit. They're Kobe 80s. 9s. I wear 9, size 9. And then here's the Nike sign. Nike sign. And just like, it looks like snake skin or something. Dang. Okay. Let's take the shoe out. Man, I'll be wearing some kicks. They're Kobe 80s. I do have some Paul George's on right now. And look at the design on that. Look at that. Take a look on that design. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Here's the other shoe. It's quite different from this one. In the back it's got that. And it's got the Kobe sign inside the shoe. And I really like the shoe. It's got great designs on it. I mean, seriously, take a look at that design. It's just so beautiful. Hey guys, in the comments tell 1 out of 10 if you like my shoe. There you go. I'll be wearing these, but I'm only going to be wearing these for basketball. Alright. Bye guys. And as always, like and subscribe. Smash that like button. If we can reach 4 likes, I will be super excited. I'll get you a cookie. I'll get you a chocolate chip cookie. Okay? Chocolate chip cookie. Get that in your mind until you like it, okay? And subscribe. And as always, take a last look at this shoe. Last look. Did you know that it also has Braille on the top? I don't think you guys can see it, but there's Braille right there. My camera won't focus. Alright, anyways guys, like and subscribe. Bye.